Yes, that's right, robots. So today we have the Amazon Astro here with us. Some people say that this is the best household robots, while others argue that it is basically the on wheels. It is for invitation only right now on Amazon for $999, and after the invitation it's gonna be $1,449. That is actually pretty expensive. So today we're gonna find out if this robot is worth that much money. So on top of the box it says remove the side clip 1, 2, and 3. So this is the number 1, and on this side it's the number 2. So let's remove this one first. So just peel it like this. Okay. Oh, like a smart lock or something. And now let's go for the other side. So same thing, peel off this part. Okay. Another lock. And just leave it. Oh, just leave it like this. So lift it up. Ta-da! So basically everything is pretty easy to open. There's no tool needed. It says let's roll. Oh my goodness, we got so many stickers right here. And also we have a welcome guide. Okay, and now let's bring up this guy. It's the charging station. Oh, here we have it. I think this is the menu. Yeah, it's basically of how to place the charging station, where to put it, like how far it from the wall and all that. And this is just a menu of things that we can try with this robot. And that's the charging station itself. It's pretty heavy. And on the back of the charging station, we got some nice rod for the cable management. The power port is right in here. And on top here, we have 2 contacts. That's for the charging. On the bottom, we have 2 large, nice rubber feety. That's non-slippery. Under here is our cup holder. And then we have the charging cable. It's another protection foam. So just leave it like this. Oh, just leave it. Oh, okay. There we have it. Oh, we got a pretty nice handle behind here, right here. So easy to lift up. So here we have it. What do you think? It looks really nice. It looks very futuristic. You got a wheels on the bottom, so you can roll it. I mean, you don't have to roll it. It's gonna roll it itself. And seems like we got quite a few sensors at the back. We have 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side, and there's another 2 on the back. And we also have quite a few sensors in the front. I guess here's 1 on the left, another 1 on the right. And also there's 3 on the bottom, if you can see it's right here. And the screen can be turned, and also it can be tilted too. There's a lot of stuff on the screen. Looks like we have cameras in the middle. And we do also have quite a few sensors inside this screen too. And on top here, we have 3 buttons only. A minus sign, a plus sign, and also a mute button. And there's 2 big wheels on each side. I wonder what we have under here. Let me see. Oh, here's another wheel. That's for the directions, I think. And we also have, I think this is the speakers. That seems pretty good. I see another USB Type-C port in here. Okay, so 3 buttons only. How can I turn on this thing? Let's see. Let's just push 1 button right here. No, nothing happens. Okay, add a button. Nothing here. I don't know. I don't see any buttons to turn on this guy. So I guess I have to set up the charging station and charge it so it might turn on automatically. So something is on the screen, you see? A Amazon smile face. It knows my name. See? Hi, Shirley. So we got about 3 steps that we need to do. Meet Astro, getting to know you, which is me, and also learning about my home.
Let's get started by scanning.
Oh, it's gonna scan my face. All right. It's like this.
Now, tilt your head up. Look to your right. Tilt your head down.
Okay.
Look to your left.
Left.
It's 2.
So seems like it got me. Okay, 5 feet away. Seems like it's kind of talking. Oh, there we go. It's moving. It's moving. So now it knows where its charging station is. So now the Astro is gonna explore the house. Astro, it's time to explore. Oh, there we go. Start exploration. Oh, it's moving, it's moving. Okay, it's going that way. Oh, it sees my daughter's Bentley. See, oh my goodness, look at that. He actually got in there. It's not hitting anything. Every time it sees something, and it memorizes, and it turns around. You see, it didn't hit that car right there. Oh, you went for our tripod. It passed it. You see that? It passed that tripod right there. I think it finished. It says exploring and saving the map. Oh, well, I think it doesn't want to see me. Okay. And finally, it finished the processing of exploring. Normally, it's gonna take you around 30 minutes, but this guy take me around 1 hour. It's because it failed 2 times. And the first time it failed is because I have a cable laying around on the floor, and you run through it, but somehow it got jammed, or I don't know. It just say something is in front of him, and then it stopped working and asked me to bring it back and start over. And the second time, it stopped right in front of my office door, which is a glass. I think the reflection maybe messed around with the sensor in the front, so it stopped working right there and asked me to redo it. And finally, the third time, it actually works. It runs through every single room in all the open area, and now it finally memorized the map in the system. And right now, it's asking us to name all the area that Astro has discovered. Astro, start a home tour. So it's gonna follow me. I guess I'll just bring it to the kitchen. Astro, so this is the kitchen.
Got it. Kitchen.
This is the pool room.
Got it. Pool room.
So this is the family living room.
Okay. This room will be saved as family living room.
So this is the guest bedroom.
Okay. This is guest bedroom.
Oh, you got stuck a little bit. I'm here. Astro, turn around. See me? Yeah, there you go. And now it's pretty clear to the robot. Let's try those top things that we can try with this robot. Astro, follow me. There we go. It got my order and it's following me right now. Anyone can call Astro to follow as long as you register your name and your voice and also your face. This is really useful when we make a video call and we want the camera always focused on us. And if we want it to stop, we can just simply call it, Astro, stop following. Now, it just stopped right there. Astro, come over here. Is that cool? He even says hello to me. Astro, turn around. Look at this. Astro, move forward. And you move like a feet. That is really cool. We can use that to see something that's in particular. And also if we want it to go back to the charging station, we can just ask it like, Astro, go back to charging. And then it's gonna go back to the charging station. Look at this. And now it's charging. This is incredible, man. Next thing that I'm gonna try, it's also my daughter's favorite, that this guy can also be a babysitter. Watch this. Astro, let's dance. Look at this cute little robot, man. That's really cute. And also we can call the Astro to come any places by any of the Amazon devices. Send Astro to the kitchen.
Okay.
You guys see? Now it's in the kitchen. So this is like the respawn point for the Astro to be in. And now it's being sent to the kitchen. You see, it arrived at the kitchen. That is really cool, man. I already have a fish set up. That is where my fish tank is. So I can simply click the fish and then Astro will go there to check that out. And it's going over there. He even sees me. And it's gonna raise its camera to the point that I set up already. Is that cool? And not only that, we can see the map, so we can send Astro to any other rooms. Let's see, maybe I want to check out my pool room. So I just click that. It says go now. And then the robot is going to go to the pool room. Right there. And if I want to see behind it, Astro, turn around. See, it turns around. And if I want to see something over the pool table, I can click the camera, click adjust, and raise the camera up. Really nice, man. And now I'm gonna try something that is my favorite. I'm gonna ask it to deliver this drink to me specifically in a room. I see if I can run faster than it. So let's try this. Astro, take this to Ryan in the guest living room. Here we go. I'll just stop here and wait. I hear it. It says making a delivery to Ryan in guest living room. Oh, it says arrive, and then it turn around and show me that he has something for me. Overall, I say that this robot is definitely not an on wheels. There are also some other basic features that also offers, such as video calls, playing music, playing jokes and all that. And I'm still learning other cool features that this robot can do. But as of now, this guy is now really a new member to my family. I really like the dance feature because my daughter really likes it. Because when she's bored, and this robot can play with her. And also, I really like the feature that it can deliver something. So when my wife calls, I can just send the robot there. And that is just incredible. And things I hope Amazon can improve is the cup holder actually. I wish the hole for the cup holder is a little bit bigger because for now we can only put in cans or the glass bottles. For some other plastic bottles, the sodas or Coke, we can't even put in there. If we put in there, when I remove it, it's gonna remove the cup holder too. And another thing I hope they improve is when the robot going to turn or make a turn. Sometimes the back of the robot always hit the wall or hit the chairs. And over time, it's gonna create a lot of scratches around the robot. But all in all, this guy is definitely worth a buy. So if you're lucky, just like me, got an invitation from Amazon, you should definitely give this guy a try. Leave your comment below of what you think about this robot and also questions you may have. Other than that, thank you for watching, and as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.